Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you take a screenshot on your OnePlus 11. In order to take screenshot on your OnePlus 11, you could follow these steps. The OnePlus 11 offers multiple methods for taking a screenshot. You could either use your power and a volume button simultaneously. This is most likely in Android devices, or most of the Android devices have this feature by holding on to your side buttons, that is volume button and then the power on button, in order to take a screenshot simultaneously or at the same time, and that's going to help you out to take a screenshot as well. The other thing you could do is 3-finger swipe, but for that you have to enable this. You want to open the settings, then you simply want to go to buttons and gestures, after which you want to go to quick gestures. And when you click on quick gesture, here you want to click on 3-finger screenshot. Make sure to enable that. And once you've enabled, exit out of this, and you need to use a 3-finger in order to take a screenshot. So how you do it is that you want to hold out your 3 fingers, and then you simply want to tap on the screen, or you simply want to slide it at the bottom with your 3-finger, and that's going to take a screenshot in a way. And the other way to take a screenshot is that you could, when taking a screenshot, you could tap the scroll button to capture a full page screenshot. Now in some cases, if you're using a Chrome browser, so they have a built-in screenshot option. So when you tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right, you could find the take a screenshot or scrolling screenshot option. You could do it so, and you could take a scrolling and screenshot as well. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.